Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by dialing in your instrument, your body, and gear. First, position a directional mic about 20 to 30 centimeters from your mouth and set gain so peaks sit around -12 decibels. Once done, warm the chest voice with deep breath patterns and 3 rounds of descending scales to add weight. Make sure to choose 44, 1 or 48 kilohertz at 24-bit for clarity. These steps give you the raw tone and clean signal the narrator style needs. Now you shape delivery. The narrator's power comes from chest resonance and controlled pacing. Focus on pushing sound from the diaphragm to deepen timbre while keeping the throat relaxed. This creates that dark, authoritative quality. Then practice phrasing. Alternate short, punchy sentences with longer measured lines so your rhythm breathes. Once consistent, add micro-timing, tiny pauses before keywords to increase tension. Make sure to monitor sibilance and nasality. Adjust mouth. Finish by processing the signal to match the iconic narrator color. Start with subtractive EQ. Remove 200 to 400 Hz mud, then slightly boost 3 to 5 kHz for presence. Use gentle compression at roughly 2 to 1 with 3 to 6 decibels of gain reduction to even dynamics, and add a short, dark reverb tail to sit in the mix. If it sounds boxy or harsh, troubleshoot. Change mic angle, treat reflections, or apply a de-esser. These fixes rescue the tone without ruining energy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.